Strategies to ace the GMAT. Mastering test-taking skills. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into an essential component of GMAT preparation: developing test-taking strategies. Remember, mastering the content is one thing, but knowing how to apply that knowledge in a time-pressured environment is a whole other ballgame. Let's unlock those strategies today. Before you can strategize, it's crucial to understand the GMAT's layout. The GMAT consists of 4 sections. 1. Analytical writing assessment. 2. Integrated reasoning. 3. Quantitative reasoning. 4. Verbal reasoning. Each section tests different skills, and thus, requires unique strategies. But there are some general tactics applicable to all. Every second counts on the GMAT. Here's what you should remember. Practice with a timer. Get used to the feeling of being timed. When practicing, always keep track of how much time you're spending on each question. Skip and return. If a question seems too tricky or is taking too long, mark it and come back later. It's better to answer more questions correctly than getting stuck on a few. Keep an eye on the clock. Periodically check the time, but don't obsess over it. A balance between speed and accuracy is key. The GMAT is a multiple-choice test, which means the answer is right in front of you. Use this to your advantage. Rule out the wrong. Before picking the right answer, try to eliminate the obviously wrong ones first. This narrows down your choices and increases your chances of getting it right. Trust your gut. Sometimes, your first instinct is correct. Don't overthink. Nervousness can be a big obstacle on test day. Here's how to handle it. Take deep breaths. If you feel overwhelmed, take a moment to breathe deeply. It can calm your nerves and help you refocus. Practice meditation. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation into your preparation. It helps improve concentration and reduce stress. Stay positive. Remind yourself of your preparation. Trust in the work you've done. After every practice test, analyze mistakes. Don't just look at what you got wrong. Understand why you got it wrong. This helps in avoiding the same errors in the future. Make a list. Jot down areas where you consistently struggle. Tailor your study plan to improve in these areas. And that wraps up our guide on test-taking strategies for the GMAT. Remember, every test taker is unique. It's all about finding what strategies work best for you and refining them. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll see your scores soar. Until next time, happy studying, and may the odds be ever in your favor.